Well, good morning, South Florida. I am Eric Yutz.
I'm Cheyenne Malone. South Florida dodging a bullet from Hurricane Matthew, but people north of here are preparing for the worst.
Let's check in with Weather Authority meteorologist Julie Durda, who has the very latest 5 a.m. advisory. Julie.
That's right. We continue to track Hurricane Matthew as it hugging the shoreline of Cape Canaveral and headed towards the northern portions of our state, bringing them some very gusty winds, hurricane force winds extending out from the center. 5 a.m. advisory is in, and the center is actually located 90 miles southeast of Daytona Beach, Florida. Winds at 120 miles per hour, pressure 938 millibars. It's moving now to the north-northwest at 13 miles per hour, and this system will continue on that path, hugging the coastline of Florida and in towards the southeast coast as a Category 3 hurricane. Let's put this into perspective. About 120 miles away from us is a Category 3 hurricane. At one point last night, the system was less than 100 miles away from us, and we're talking about power outages and downed trees. We got very lucky with this system staying the actual center well offshore into the north. As we continue, though, it looks as though we haven't seen the last of Matthew affecting parts of South Florida, because eventually, as we go out into Tuesday of next week, we could have to deal with some shower and thunderstorm activity because of the system possibly becoming a tropical storm by the Bahamas. So what we're expecting, and the reason that we did dodge a bullet with Matthew staying much more to the north of us, was because of this area of high pressure. We talked about it. What it did is basically it remained east of us. At one point, the models were showing this pushing towards the west, which would have steered Matthew more towards the northwest, which is why we were being prepared for the system. And regardless, you can see the shower and thunderstorm activity and the leading edge of the system still hugging the east coast of Florida and will remain to be a big concern for our friends in the northern and central portions of our state. Now, as we go into next week, watch what's going to happen. Another area of high pressure is going to build from the mid-Atlantic and in towards the Gulf of Mexico, and that will continue to bring Matthew back around the outer fringes of this high pressure. Remember, winds around a high always go clockwise, so therefore we will see that system bounce back towards the Bahamas, and the steering flow will be towards the southwest, so something we'll need to watch in the days to come. We do need to go over some power outages across Miami-Dade and Broward that occurred because of Matthew. We had possible damage at Deerfield Beach Pier that was reported as well, and trees down in Palm Beach Gardens. We've had a lot of reports of some trees down. What are you waking up to this morning? You're waking up to winds moving in from the west-southwest anywhere between 12 and 20 miles per hour, with wind gusts reported in the 20s. The National Hurricane Center and the National Weather Service just allowed the tropical storm warning to be canceled. So that is good news, but we are still going to deal with some very strong winds today. So we'll call your morning with some clouds and breezy conditions, temperatures in the lower 80s by 9 o'clock. And by the afternoon, it will be windy with a slight chance of a shower. Even though we have Matthew's center just to the north of us, those outer bands still could affect us. Let's take a look. You can see on the satellite where the actual center is, just south of Orlando and north of Palm Beach, but those outer bands are what we're going to be watching. That could bring us some isolated showers. Some showers already starting to move into portions of the middle and the upper Keys. So far, though, I'm happy to tell you, Miami-Dade and Broward, we are dry. We got to take a look at those roads. Let's say good morning to Nicole.